Ebony here, welcome back to my channel. Hey, what's up if you're new? So today's a quick video because I just want to talk about acids, and I want to talk about a big culprit which can cause acids to actually make your acne worse. A comment I get quite a lot on my channel, especially on my videos where I mention purging, so either like my Purge Me series or the video where I'm like, are you purging or does your skin not like the product? And the comment I get quite a lot is, you know, I've been using this acid for a couple of weeks now and, you know, my skin's just getting worse, I just don't know what to do. And when I actually like delve into the situation, I always ask the question, how often are you using it? And a lot of the time people say, oh, I'm using it twice a day, and I'm like, this is like, you know, where the problem can be. Now with acids, guys, you really want to be careful with how much you're using them, because actually overuse of acids can make the situation much worse. A great example of this is if you go see my Purge Me series. I used salicylic acid every single day. I can't remember how long I did it for. Was it like 2 months? I mean, you can see by the end of it, my skin was not clear, and realistically, you know, a purging phase should be over within like a month. So if you're experiencing, you know, more breakouts after a month, I really would recommend you ask yourself, okay, how much am I using this acid on my face? And then also judging whether your skin actually does like it or not, because your skin just might not be very compatible with that acid. But sometimes it's as simple as just cutting down the use to, you know, maybe using it every other day, every 2 days, and you know, you can really start to see improvements of your skin, because you've got to let your skin and the acid complement each other. And what can happen when you overuse acids is that they're clearing out the pore, but they kind of make the pore a little bit more vulnerable. So if you're doing it too much, you know, you're kind of weakening the strength of your skin. That's how I kind of like vision it. And you know, more stuff can get in and cause more clogged pores, and it just kind of irritates the surface. The second thing I do want to throw in here is that, especially if you have acne and you're trying out a certain product, just always remember everybody's skin responds differently. You might have watched someone's video on like how I clear my skin, and they show you their full regime, you're like, okay, I'm gonna go get that full regime, I'm gonna do it. How often they use it might not be how often you should use it, because their skin might be, you know, maybe stronger than yours, like can tolerate more, yours might be more sensitive. So you've got to take that consideration, and you've got to judge your own skin and not just, you know, judge it from what someone else has done. But the main thing I just want to talk about in this video is just overusing acids. And you know, if I say to you right now, how often are you using your acid, and you're like, well, I'm using it every morning and night, like, that's like alarm bells to me. So if you're using an acid, your skin's not getting better, it's just getting worse, and you don't know what to do, ask yourself, how often are you using it? And if the answer is, I'm using it twice a day or every single day, then first thing, cut it back. See if you get any results from cutting it back, because majority of the time I always find, you guys, you cut it back and then you're like, oh my god, like my skin's actually starting to get a lot better now, because you're reducing the use. So that's the first thing. And then secondly, if you are just starting to introduce an acid, then I really do recommend start it in slowly. You know, use it once every like 3 days, maybe 4 days to begin with, just to judge how your skin responds to it. You know, how does it make your skin feel, how does it make your skin look, and then build up how much you can personally take with the acid and find your unique balance. Because like even with diet, skincare, everything is very individual to you, and you need to listen. Oh god, the lighting's going a bit funny. You need to listen to your skin just like you would listen to your body. So anyway, guys, I really hope this video was helpful, and hopefully you're going to get to clear skin much quicker. If you have any questions on this topic or even any other topics, then just let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already and you enjoyed videos like this and you want to see more, then you can always smash the subscribe button too and come join the family. Anyway, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye.